Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Astra protocol token. Ticker symbol is Astra. This token is just about to be listed on a central exchange in about 2 days. January 16th, it gets a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Now let's get into this token here, the Astra protocol. So, like I said, Astra is the ticker symbol. So this token just was announced. It was just announced that this token is going to get a brand new central exchange listing January 16th, 10 o'clock UTC time on Mexc Global. Now, if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is just go right through that Mexc referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Astra, which is the ticker, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Cool thing about Mexc Global is there's tons of new coins and tokens listed on there all the time. Super low fees, very well established central exchange. Tons of Twitter followers. They almost have like 700,000 Twitter followers. If you want to find Astra Protocol's Twitter, it is very simple. It is just at Astra Protocol. They have 144,100 Twitter followers. They're doing very well. It says their mission is to provide a range of regulatory compliance tools for crypto applications, ensuring financial compliance standards can be met in the Web3 industry. That's what it says there on their Twitter. Now, also recently announced on Astra Protocol's Twitter, they're talking about how there is a M-Day futures trading event here where there's 133,333 Astra tokens for rewards, and that is an event, and it says that goes on from the 14th, which is today, all the way until the 15th, and there's going to be an airdrop on the 15th for that contest. Now, there's also, they talk about the futures trading competition. So check that out. Get involved with that if you like. So they have, on their announcement page, their total supply of this token, they have 1 billion Astra tokens. They have an official webpage, which is astraprotocol.com. Their own Etherscan is on here. So this is an Ethereum ERC20 token. Their Twitter, Telegram, they have Medium articles, and a full white paper as well. According to their Etherscan, they have 18 decimal places on this token, and it doesn't look like it's even available on Uniswap whatsoever here. They don't have any Uniswap transfers. It only says 2 holders on here. And so, it looks like Mexc Global is probably going to be their initial listing, like the first place that they get listed. So that's cool. It says Astra Protocol is the next generation of compliance, a decentralized KYC platform for Web3. Our application brings the financial regulatory standards for 150 plus countries and over 300 plus sanctions and watch lists to the crypto industry without sacrificing anonymity. So they also have on their webpage, they have advisors, solutions, product, team, adoption partners, and contact information. So 150 plus countries, KYC for Web3, onboarding the next billion users to Web3. Looks like they're partners with LD Capital, 8 New Square, TokenSoft, KPMG, whole bunch of different companies. So it says our solutions. The first one is the KYC, which stands for Know Your Customer. Besides the 150 countries and 300 plus sanctions and screening lists, they do biometrics, on-chain data, graded KYC risk scores, decentralized legal network, DNLs. They also have KYB, which means Know Your Business. And that's available also 150 plus countries, 300 plus sanction screening lists. Beneficial owner's check, on-chain data, graded KYC risk scores, and DNLs. They also have AMLs, which is anti-money laundering for Web3 data, Web2 fraud screening, anti-terrorism watch list, FATF standards, and then lastly, reporting. Full customized reporting for Web3-based analytics platform, exportable reporting, and customizable dashboards. So that's some of the utilities, the solutions that they offer. It says our product, get to know our product and its capabilities, and it has basically standard, enhanced, and extensions versions that you can purchase here for utility bills. Like this is all for like KYCs, identity screening, date of birth, source of funds, biometrics, on-chain proof, multi-jurisdictional check, yada yada yada. Goes through all that. Goes through all the countries it's available in. Their team is doxed on their webpage at astraprotocol.com. You can see pictures of all the team members from Astra, their full names, job titles. There's like at least 12 team members here. All their advisors seem to be doxed as well. They have a huge list of partners, and then their socials and their contact emails available on here as well. Their Telegram is doing extremely well as well. They have 163,730 Telegram members. Insane amount of Twitter followers, Telegram members, especially for a token that only has, according to their Etherscan, 2 holders and no real listings yet. And the first one is going to be Mexc Global. So that's pretty crazy that they have that amount of followers on their socials. Now, it looks like they have a lot of... that was the wrong thing here. So I was trying to click on their Medium. I clicked on Mexc Global's Medium for some reason. Yeah, so they have their own Medium here. Let's check that out. So that is astraprotocol.medium.com. Only 582 followers on the Medium. Let's see how many articles they have. They have tons of articles on here as well. You can check out on their Medium articles. Looks like, you know, maybe about 20 Medium articles that you can review. Talks all about the project. They go over the Astra year in review of 2022, all the great milestones that they hit and the expansion that's happening in the future. And that is their, it looks like their most recent article from January 6th. So check that one out as well on their Medium. But yeah, this token gets listed basically 2 days on Mexc Global. So check out that Mexc referral code down there. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And yeah, leave a comment. What do you guys think about Astra Protocol? Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.